Welcome back to Deco, where we explore inspiring home garden ideas that transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary outdoor retreats. Today, we're stepping into the enchanting world of small courtyard gardens, where recycled rustic accents create charming and whimsical spaces full of personality. Whether your courtyard is tiny or spacious, these ideas will spark your creativity. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Deco channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling us which garden style inspires you the most. Your support helps us continue sharing beautiful garden ideas every week. Now, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's discover how reclaimed materials, vintage treasures, and natural greenery can come together to create magical courtyard gardens you'll love spending time in. Every beautiful courtyard begins with a thoughtful layout. Even the smallest space can feel welcoming when pathways, seating areas, and planting zones are carefully arranged to create balance and flow. Instead of filling every corner, leave open spaces that allow the eye to travel naturally through the garden. A simple stone path or gravel walkway can make the courtyard feel larger while adding rustic character. Position a small bench, cafe table, or wooden chair as the focal point. This instantly transforms the courtyard into a peaceful destination for morning coffee, afternoon reading, or evening relaxation. One of the easiest ways to add charm is by incorporating recycled materials into your garden design. Old wooden pallets, reclaimed bricks, weathered timber, and vintage metal pieces all bring unique texture and history. Repurpose wooden crates as plant stands or stack them to create vertical displays filled with colorful flowers and trailing vines. Their aged appearance blends naturally into rustic garden settings. Even old ladders, wagon wheels, or antique window frames can become eye-catching decorative features. These recycled elements celebrate sustainability while giving your courtyard unmistakable personality. Whimsical details are what make a courtyard feel magical. Hanging lanterns, birdhouses, wind chimes, and handmade garden ornaments create delightful surprises around every corner. Consider displaying vintage watering cans, ceramic pots, or rustic buckets overflowing with seasonal flowers. Mixing different shapes and textures adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Fairy lights woven through climbing plants or wrapped around wooden trellises create a warm evening atmosphere that makes the garden inviting both day and night. A successful courtyard garden combines plants of varying heights and textures. Place taller shrubs or climbing plants along walls while medium-sized flowering plants soften the middle layer. Use ground covers, herbs, or low-growing flowers to complete the lower level. This layered approach creates depth and makes even compact courtyards feel lush and abundant. Mix evergreen plants with seasonal blooms so your garden remains attractive throughout the year while continuously offering changing colors and textures. Limited floor space doesn't have to limit your creativity. Vertical gardening allows you to maximize every inch while adding impressive visual impact. Install rustic trellises, reclaimed wooden panels, or hanging baskets to encourage climbing roses, jasmine, ivy, or flowering vines to grow upward and soften hard walls. Shelves made from reclaimed wood can display potted herbs, succulents, and colorful flowers, transforming blank walls into living works of art. A gentle water feature instantly enhances the peaceful atmosphere of a courtyard garden. The soothing sound of flowing water encourages relaxation and masks surrounding noise. You don't need a large fountain. A small recycled barrel, ceramic bowl, or vintage container can become a charming miniature water feature with a simple circulating pump. Surround the feature with ferns, moss, and smooth stones to create a natural setting that complements the rustic design and invites birds and butterflies to visit. Comfort is just as important as beauty. Add weather-resistant cushions, cozy throws, and outdoor rugs to create a courtyard that's inviting in every season. Large potted plants can provide privacy while also acting as natural windbreaks. Shade sails, pergolas, or climbing vines offer welcome relief from the summer sun. Finally, incorporate warm lighting through solar lanterns, candles, or vintage-style fixtures so your courtyard remains a magical retreat long after sunset. Small courtyard gardens prove that creativity matters far more than size. By combining recycled rustic accents, layered planting, charming decorations, and thoughtful layouts, you can create an outdoor sanctuary full of warmth and personality. We hope today's ideas have inspired you to transform your own courtyard into a whimsical garden retreat using sustainable and beautiful design elements. Every recycled treasure has the potential to become part of something truly special. Thank you so much for watching Deco. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. We'll see you in the next garden inspiration video. Happy gardening!